I will show you why we shouldn't use the electronic devices in the charging mode. In charging mode, every electronic device has a device known as a capacitor. The capacitor is used to store charges. When it stores charges, after a certain period, it start discharging when it connected from any AC or DC supply. But when we charge a capacitor with an AC, when it gets discharges, it will cause an accidental error, and it has been different types of record we have seen from the different type of band of companies and mobile companies that we are getting different type of accident and even death. Now today I will show you why we shouldn't use any kind of electronic devices in the charging mode. In charging mode, the capacitor are conducting and other type of devices like the transistor, different types of coils that are used in a devices are conducting the current to the whole circuit in the keyboard, in a different types of part that are used in outside the areas of the electronic devices. Now I've got a multimeter here. I am adjusting the multimeter to the DC voltage. Now I adjusted it. When I put the two wires, I will show you clearly here. I put the two wires into this our circuit of this laptop. You will see the reading here. It is providing a reading. Now you see 6 voltage, 5 voltage, 6, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 5, 5 voltage, 4, 5. Okay, now in this way this is giving reading. This might you can see the 15, 19, 24, 28, 32. Okay, now you can see here 16, 13, 19, 20, 24, 27, 28. Now this reading shows that there is a conduction of the current in the outer part of the circuit. It always happens in every types of circuit, so be careful about don't using any kind of electronic devices while you are in a charge mode, because this is a DC supply. The DC supply is more dangerous than the AC supply because of this not producing a sinusoidal wave. So be careful about not using any type of electronic devices while you are connecting it. Thank you. Why we should be cautious about using any type of electronic devices when it is in charging mode, when it is in conducting mode, and as immediately as we get it out from the power supply and battery source or any type of AC or DC of the sources, there is always a regulation of the voltage in that circuit because of the capacitor, the transistor, and the emission higher transformer, even in the television and the other AC types of circuits. Now I will show you an illustration, a simple illustration about using and being carefulness about using how to use a mobile phone, and be careful on how we handle it properly, so that we can be cautious and be careful from becoming a fake student of the death or even any type of explosion. Now I will show you. I make on the mobile. I've got a simple mobile set here. When I provide a power supply with the voltage from this battery, it is getting on. You can see here. Now it is on. Now when the mobile is totally on, now okay, immediately when I put the battery power supply from this out from this circuit and put the reading to the multimeter, you can see the voltage here. There is giving voltage reading. Okay, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28. That is, it is discharging exponentially. So in discharging mode, when a capacitor is charged, it after when the power supply is out, it gets starting to discharge. When you touch any kind of equipment in discharging mode, it will hamper on you. It will cause you different types of accidents. So be cautious about not using the devices when it is charged, and be careful about how to operate any kind of devices. Don't touch it while it is in charging mode. Then use it when you use it. Okay.